mackerel fish is very popular of our local people. You can say it is a common man's fish. In olden days, mackerels were very cheap available. You won't believe it if I tell you. I have purchased mackerels when I was young. One is skud, that is Portuguese rupees, one. About 60 numbers or 60 to 70 numbers of mackerels was available. But nowadays it's become very costly. Anyhow, those days we used to buy a lot of mackerels, and when it become more in our house, we used to apply salt and we used to keep for drying so that it get dry for the monsoon, to preserve it for the monsoon season. Otherwise there were no mackerels available. So we used to use dry mackerels during our rainy season. Now I am going to prepare a recipe, a forgotten recipe you can say, our old forefathers, which they used to do it in all local fields or anywhere near the tavern, near the bar. They used to do it after finish their work. So I will see you in my kitchen now. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. We are just close to one of our old ancestors and iconic place called Donno. This is the place where all the farmers used to come and sit there and take rest when they finish their work. And they used to do something or enjoying, sometimes they used to have a little bit of kaju feni with something different, smoked fish and all these things, they used to do it. Today I am going to prepare in my episode a forgotten recipe of our forefathers. People are not doing it much nowadays. It's a very simple recipe and very natural recipe. Only those days, all the farmers, when they paddy field harvesting, they used to cut the paddy and they used to dry the hay and they used to smoke the fish in the hay and they used to eat with that little bit of kaju feni. Now we are going to start a dish called Kavalas fumadas, called smoked mackerels. Kavalas means mackerel, fumadas means smoke. Now I am going to smoke this in hay. Now it's a very simple dish and very easy to prepare. Only thing, you have to smoke it under the hay, dry hay. The simple ingredients goes in that, nothing much. First you have to clean the fish. Now just open the head and pull out the gills, and all stomach things will come out. If you want, you can cut it, but you don't require to cut. It's already come everything out from stomach. See, nothing is there. Now what I'll do, I'll just wash this one. See, mackerels are very fresh. You can see blood is coming out. That means it's very fresh. Now what you do, you just put the water inside the stomach and just throw it out. Now what you do, take the salt, rock salt, which is harvesting in our salt pan. There is a salt pan at the down of it. Use that rock salt, put it in the stomach and just apply it on the. You take one lime wedge, squeeze it, lime slice in the stomach so that marination will get marinated well. Now what you do, slice the onion and green chili slit. I'll just put in the stomach, inside the stomach, so that while smoking, you will get a flavor, nice flavor you get out of it. Just fill the stomach. All the mackerels are marinated. If you want, you can cut the stomach and put it properly if you want it. If you can't, it's very easy. Keep it for at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes for the marination. Now we are going to smoke it in the hay. Now you put one layer of hay first, make it level, then you keep the mackerel marinated on it. You can wrap it also for the banana leaves in case if you want it. It's optional. It is up to you if you want it. Otherwise, you just plain smoke it. Now what I am going to do, I am going to put hay on top. And now I am going to set a fire on hay. Once the fire gets slow, you just put little air to it so that the inside hay catches the fire when you put the air to it. Now almost half done mackerel. Now if you want, you can turn it. So it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Now I am going to put a breeze to the mackerel for fire to get more clear the fire. With the help of soup, it's a dustpan. It's almost cooked, but I think I have to put one more layer little bit. The mackerel is ready and it's smoked well. You can make out from the color. Now I am going to remove it. Mackerels are ready. Now I have to remove the skin of mackerel from top. I am going to make it a smoked mackerel salad called salad de cavallas. It's very simple and very tasty, especially when we do this salad. In olden days, the farmers, they used to smoke this for lunch, and the leftover, they used to keep it for dinner to make salad. And the fat one, they always taste better for the salad. Fat, and why it is fat? Because it contains little bit more fat in it. So it tastes well with the salad, with the onions, tomatoes and everything. Now I am going to remove the flesh of mackerel. See, the mackerels are cooked well. You can make out. See, the flesh is coming smoothly. Only you have to carefully but the thorns when you are peeling. I'll slice the onion. Say one large size onion. Say 1 number tomatoes. 1 number chili, finely chop, and little bit of coriander in it. Now I add little rock salt to it. Cut the lime and squeeze the juice in it. Now I have to add little olive oil to it. Now you mix it up, toast it. First, only onions and tomato. Why you should not mix up first flesh, you know it? It should not be mashed. Salad should be with the thick pieces flesh, you should get it inside. If it is mash, it doesn't look like salad. Okay, salad is ready. Now I am going to put the salad on the side. Then I'll keep the clean mackerel. I made little garnish for it. I'll cut the lemon wedge. Mackerels are ready. This is a very simple recipe of our forefathers, which we have forgotten nowadays, and we hardly does this. Try it at home and give the comments how it is, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you next episode.